Can't believe it. It's a big crash. The van and the car just crashing. Wow. 10 seconds ago. On the mess here. If anybody get hurt or something. Hopefully police or ambulance will come. All the mess. All the stuff. All the debris. All over. Come the ambulance. The police. The police. You hear that? You hear the sound? You hear that? Police. Police. Hopefully everybody's fine. Don't see any ambulance coming yet. Okay, come on. Police car. Oh, it's a big crash. I don't know. I don't know how they hit it. It's a, you know what I mean? It's a,
Why is that problem?
yeah, I don't know because you see that? It's a two-way street, right?
Yeah.
No turn or whatever. I think maybe this guy run this way and that car come out the street. You mean?
Probably went that way.
Yeah, no, he went this way, right? And the car maybe he coming out from the out street here. Otherwise, how can they crash like that? You know what I mean? Here comes the ambulance. More police. It's a big crash in front of my house. I can't believe it. Crazy. They're gonna block the street, I believe. Gonna block the street. I think they're gonna block the street for that, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Gonna have to clean up the mess, you mean, all the debris, you mean? Very bad for the traffic. Can't believe it's like crash right in front of us.
How in the world he got there?
I think he goes this way, right? And that car hit him, then he just fall over there, you know what I mean?
Oh, see. This car hit this car.
That car hit this car, hit the van. That car hit the van.
Hit that car?
No, that car hit the van. You see that the sideway? You see in the front of the car. So, you know what I mean? Just can't believe it. Okay, police block the street now. They have to clean it up. Here come on, police. Oh boy. I don't know if anybody hurt. You know what I mean? You see no ambulance yet? Here come ambulance, fire department.
Lucky he didn't go into the house.
It's a long way up to the hill. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But look at that. That guy hit the minivan here. Here come the fire department. You see anybody get hurt?
Must be a woman driver over there.
I don't know how. You mean she must come out the street? You mean hit the bed? I don't know if anybody hurt. You mean? they block the street now. They have to clean up the street, you know what I mean? All the debris here, you know what I mean? I don't know anybody hurt, you know what I mean? You don't see no ambulance coming up. They have a tow truck too, you know what I mean? They have to tow. Okay, let's see what happened. We stop here. Hope everybody fine. The ambulance, fire department, police, and the tow truck maybe come and tow the car and somebody to the hospital or whatever. Alright. Stop right now.